Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. Friends, today I am doing this video because of Sensex and Nifty climbing to highs. Not a highs, but it's near to high. 1,000 points are there for highs. So see here NIFTY Nifty 50. Uh, Wait a minute, friends. Nifty 50. And friends, see here which is at all-time high. If you observe here, I clicked all, and if you observe this, this is at all-time high, and 1 year. If you see these lines which I already drawn, in recent times I mentioned if market falls, these are the support and levels for Nifty. But friends, if you observe now, this is the previous high, which is on February touched 15,416 is previous high. Today it touched like 15,384. So friends, here what we are going to see is a bubble formed here, friends. I am not expecting that it will cross here because of there is no economic activity in India present with COVID second phase. From first onwards, I am telling in this second phase, June month also going to be in lockdown. Partial unlocks will happen, but there is no major activities will done on outsides of streets. And the next one is, see here, the Home Ministry extended national COVID-19 contaminant measures till June 30. That means April, May, June. This total quarter was on very bad time for Indian economic and everything. Already last year lost so much of economic growth in India, and now with these 3 months banking sector will getting a huge phase if you observe in next quarter. Yes friends, if you really observe the next quarter of banking financial numbers, you will be shocked. Yeah, really what I am saying is, if this weekend will be the final for this month, and every state going to announce their contaminant zones and how many days they are going, like 1 week or like 2 weeks, they have to announce, friends. So in my view, like this whole month, this is confirmed. I previously also explained I taken only 2 weeks, but with this announcement it's like total month. And if you observe, few Karnataka and some states are telling like they are unlocking with a little bit uh, partial lockdowns will be there like that. And bank nifty, if you observe also bank nifty, which is moving on not in a reality way, and still friends it is moving upward direction, but I am expecting the correction will start again. Why? Because if you observe here, this is the major resistance, friends. Here we take resistance, how means these red lines, if you observe here, red and strong red candle here, we take all these lower sides. So it touching all lower sides, and it is touching every candle here, lower candle and this green candle and big red candle and this big red candle, and touching these all candles, three candles here. So which is 3400 and 34,976. That's today it is crossed. But friends, tomorrow there will be a big blow in market. I am expecting, friends, I am expecting tomorrow or Monday, these 2 days I am expecting a fall in Indian equity, like here 1,000 points, their 200 points or 100 points. Panic selling will come. Panic selling. Why? Because if you observe here, this is the article published by uh, what is called Business Today, and mentioned with Sharma. And see here, stock market level poses risk of a bubble. RBI. This is the statement released by RBI. And see, comparing PE ratio with its historical trends, RBI sees overstretched valuations. The deviation of the actual PE from its long-term trend, showing the ratio is overvalued. So the central bank believes. So central banks itself believing means we have to agree the fall will be like today or tomorrow. We have like Friday, that means tomorrow, and we can expect like it may be on Monday also, but market will not wait up to that extent. We can see a correction tomorrow, and they mentioned clearly about everything, friends. It will take some time, but I will kept this in a comment section of our video. You can please read everything detail. The major thing which they mentioned is the widening gap between structured asset prices relative to prospect for recovery in real economic activity, however, emerged as a global policy concerns. This is what they mentioned, and this order of asset price inflation in the context of estimate 8% contraction in GDP in 2021 poses the risk of bubble. So they are not seeing the future of this 2021. That's why, friends, Rakesh Jinjanwala sir moved maximum money to Fortis Healthcare. If you observe, he taken from VIP Industries and any other things into like Fortis Healthcare. Like he saved his money, or he kept his market capital valuation money in a cool place in pharma sector. So in that sector, we didn't see any fall, any rise. So see here, if you observe Fortis, Fortis Healthcare. If you observe here, Fortis Healthcare, see here, from so many days, this is here itself. See here, from May, and if you observe like 200, not much move from 200 onwards. Maybe he bought at this quarter, last quarter he bought, maybe at these levels he bought. After that, it moved from like it giving like 50 rupees. That's also a big value. And still, friends, take a look into this article, and stock market economic prospect also contributed to movement in the stock market, but the impact is relatively less compared to money supply and FPIs. And next, what they mentioned on an overall total, uh, you have to make strong fundamental stocks in your portfolio. Don't chase stocks, and only buy fundamental sound stocks at the right valuation and at the right price. We believe that only quality business are expected to outperform in case of the market crash and do well in future, he adds. So this is what I mentioned, and Marketman agrees with the RBI's bubble theory. They see a correction likely at the current levels. So friends, take a look into it. I am also seeing an over valued stock market now, and I am telling one day before, I think every YouTuber suggesting like still bullish, but market is beyond now. So it takes beyond for our imagination, and it takes beyond overload, undervalued to our valuations. So please look into this. Ventura Securities mentioned this. indicating that our stock market is definitely in a bubble. So we would recommend that investors hold their positions only in quality stocks and update stop loss levels on movements. That means they will update. They have any customers, so they will update. But friends, to my friends who are following me, I am giving you, if you have a good profit in your stocks, so take some of your stocks again, I mentioning. And thank you, friends.